pigeons can survive it sometimes. They do get bone infections and stuff when they lose toes and feet to this problem. But with a seagull, they'll land on the water, only have one working leg, and just paddle in a circle. Round and round and round and round until they die. They can't go anywhere. So they need both feet. Really need both feet in working order. So the minute I passed him, I was like, oh, fuck. I'm going to have to do something. Because nobody else knows about this. And nobody else cares about this. And no one else was going to fuck. No one else was going to fuck my friends. So I had to do it. And I'm really glad that it went okay, even though I was like really wobbly and didn't think that I could even raise my arms above my head at the time. And there we go. This is the first rescue of a seagull in a fucked. I pinned him down. I snippety. You have no idea how hard it is to subdue a seagull with Tourette's, scissors in one hand, and only one hand to control all of the limbs, like the wings and the neck and the beak. But somehow it happened. I can't even tell you how, but it happened. And I got straight back in the fuck, straight back in the box. Get in my box. Get in my box, virgin. And I fucked it. I went to Canada. I went back to the place where I found him and let him go. I didn't go to Canada. I think he'd a bit confused if I just was like, welcome to Canada! To be fair though, I'm pretty sure British seagulls can fuck all other seagulls up. They are just the boldest, most aggressive seagulls known to man. What color? I'm gonna keep you alive. Or not. Forget I said that. My dick is a lie. And then this corn. And then this corn, 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 and then this corn. Well, that is a tick now. Right, I'm gonna play this again. Close your eyes and imagine that like a country singer is being held hostage. That's what it sounds like. It sounds like a nervous sing, like a hostage situation. Like, I don't know if he's actually doing this willingly.
West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains.
Yeah, you hear it, don't you?
Blowing like a breeze. And road,
Can we
take me home?
Can we save xQc?
To the place.
Are you okay?
I belong.
Blink twice if you need us to come get you. That sound is amazing. That. Oh! Oh! He's gone. What a bitch. Gobble gobble, motherfucker. I love how wrecked he is. Oh. I will smack it.
Going for a world record?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Fun.
Okay. What? Okay, what? Okay, fuck. Okay, fuck. Gru, fuck. Go fuck. Go fuck. Oh, Gru bait. What a bait. What a bait. What a German bait. What a bitch. What a fuck. Okay, what? Okay, what? Okay, what? Okay, what? Okay, what? Ah. What? Okay, what? Okay, what? Okay, what? Hey.
Oh, whoa, oh, what would you, would you, would you, hey, what, oh, what, I think I'm okay now. Bitch!
I'm a good person, I swear. Didn't have time to do anything with my hair, so it's just as it is. If I don't do anything and leave it in the shower, like, so if I were to try and brush it right now, the brush would just get stuck. If the wind were to blow, I would just have a bushy triangle in both regions. That's just a joke. Don't clip that, actually. Because people are going to come in and start asking about my grooming habits.
My dick is for Brandon. My dick is for Brandon. My dick is for Brandon. What?
Ah, it's the MMO. The way of the dolphin. Exactly. Those guys know how to party. They really do. They pass the fucking pufferfish. Pass it. Pass the pufferfish. Pass it. Pass the pufferfish. Pass it. Pass the pufferfish. Pass it. Pass it. Pass it. Sorry.
Daddy, would you like some sausage? Daddy, would you like some sausages?
Hello, Casino. Hello, everyone. For those of you who don't know, I have Tourette syndrome, so if I'm winking, it's not because I'm into you. I'm really sorry. If I offer you a fisting, please don't try to take me up on the offer. Send dicks. Send dick pics. Don't. Send them. Send them all. Don't send dick pics. I've reached saturation point with dick pics. I am really good for dick pics. Don't listen to Terrence. Oh?
It sucks to have a technology curse. Maybe you'll feel better after this verse. Open the first try, not gonna lie, it's the 7th. Long we have awaited. Mic muted,
Less than
debated.
3.
We still live you have the best law.
I live you too.
L underscore, L underscore, L underscore, L underscore, 777,777,777,777,777.
Oh, thank God it was short. Thank fuck. I only just found the mute alerts thing. I was like, no, don't make me do it. Well, that's really sweet.
I might not have much money to tip, but I really want you to have for being such an awesome human being and for building this lovely community. We love you, Anita. Also use Twitch Prime for the best sub emotes.
You redneck
Anita
fuck!
Prime in chat.
Shut it! Shut the redneck fuck! What? Sorry. That was actually really sweet. Necromi, cheers so much for the tip. stuff. Oh, 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 oh. I feel bad for laughing. I hope she's okay. I swear to God, I hope she's okay.